Have a good day, Miss Tang and everyone watching my video. I'm BASE.VN, a third-year student who has finished all classes at university and start my internship program. In the summer of 2022, I'm very lucky when I can become an intern at BASE Enterprise. So what does a business analyst fresher actually do at BASE Enterprise? You don't need to wait anymore because I will reveal my true story at BASE now. This video consists of three main parts. The first one, introduction of BASE Enterprise and my internship position. The second one is analysis of the product management process, my work at BASE. And the last one is my internship diary. Please keep watching to the last part of my video because it's very interesting. First of all, I would like to introduce my company. BASE Enterprise was founded in 2016 by CEO Phạm Kim Hùng. BASE Enterprise provides a software as a service platform for Vietnam SMEs to comprehensively administer their operational process. After 5 years developing, BASE Enterprise has become the market leader with more than 7,000 customers in Vietnam, such as Vincommerce, VIB, ACB, VP Bank. Up to now, BASE has improved 3 SaaS products: BASE Work, which helps the working process more fluently; BASE Info helps the communication and information among the company quick and clearly; BASE HRM helps the recruitment process simpler and easier, making employee management more effective and clearly. In the near future, BASE will launch and introduce 2 more SaaS products: BASE Finance, which helps SME manage their finance situation, and BASE CRM, which helps the business maintain the relationship with their customers. In the next 3 years, BASE intends to enter the global market with a new company called True Platform. Founded in 2021, True Platform plans to launch 2 main products later in the year: Rework and Success. And in July 2022, after 2 interview rounds and an entry test, I'm very lucky to become a business analyst fresher at BASE Enterprise. The job of business analyst fresher includes 4 main scopes of work. The first one is conduct research and analysis of markets, customers, competitors, business problems, and user research. The second one is propose product value propositions, strategy, and build product roadmap. The third one is provide ideas and plans to build products, improve and add features. And the last one is be partner and work closely with engineers, testers, UX UI designers to ensure the implementation of ideas and plans. During 2 internship months, in the first month, I took part in an internship training process to understand the foundation of the work of a business analyst, gain enough knowledge to be able to smoothly undertake the work. In the second month, I will work together with other engineer software members to build and develop an application called Internal Project. This internal project is a test for both business analyst fresher and software engineer to evaluate their ability and suitability to the work and the culture at BASE Enterprise. In the internship program at BASE Enterprise, I will try my best to finish all the tasks that I am assigned, follow the training process, and improve my knowledge and skills to become an official business analyst. I hope that I will gain a lot of valuable lessons and practical knowledge from the job and build a certain orientation for my career path in the future. So let's come to the second part of my video, analysis of the product management process at BASE Enterprise and see the actual job of a business analyst at BASE Enterprise. First of all, I want to talk about the whole process that BASE Enterprise develops and delivers its products to customers. There are three main steps in this process. The first one is product management, which is undertaken by business analyst team. At this step, business analyst team conduct research about market, customer insights, user personas, as well as the context of company to decide which product will be built and developed. After we have the general knowledge about the product, we move to the next step, product development, which is undertaken by software engineer team. They will build, develop, and improve the product by coding, building the database, front-end, back-end. As the first version, the product will be launched and used in the internal company. And if the product is good enough to commercialize and bring to the market, it will come to the last step, product delivery, which is undertaken by marketing team and sales team. At this step, marketing team will write some articles or cooperate with other publishers to advertise new products to customers, collect data, and form a list of customers, and then send this to sales team. After that, the sales team will contact and close the deal with customers. As a business analyst intern, I would like to analyze more about the first step in the process of developing a product at BASE Enterprise, product management. It includes three smaller steps: product research, product initiatives, and product development. In the product research, I have to conduct an analysis about the product that my company wants to build and develop, as well as the problem of SMEs that BASE want to address. Normally, I often use the 4C model to approach the new product. 4C model includes four important factors that affect the entry of a product to a new market: category, company, customer, and competitors. Category is about the general knowledge of the domain that the product will serve for. This information will ensure that the research is following the right direction. Company will mention the current context of the company that is suitable for the new product. It may be the company's strengths and opportunities, the orientation of the company in the next 3 years, or the advantages that the company gains from the global trends or new policy. The most important factor of 4C model is customer. When analyzing this factor, we have to segment the users to identify the target customer that the new product will serve. After that, we'll have to conduct the research and interview each user to understand their objectives, actions, and pain points they are facing, and then we can identify the features that help our users. The last C factor is competitors. We can find some products that are quite similar to our product, but after analyzing the advantages and disadvantages of competitors, we can conclude that we can do better than competitors. After conducting product research, we will identify product initiatives, which includes product vision, product value propositions, and product model. Product vision is the developing direction of the product and how the product will help their customers. Product value propositions are the values that the new product brings to its users and help to solve their problems. After defining the information, the business analyst will build a product model. Business analyst has to do this part very carefully because it is the most important part that the software engineer team will closely follow and build the new product based on this model. And the last part, the product management process, is product development. In this part, business analysts will work closely and smoothly with other teams in order to build a fully worked out product. The work of each team includes business analysts will draw user flow and wireframe to help other teams easily imagine how the product will look like. the product software engineer team will use coding languages to build the product with full functions as described in the product research and product model. The UX/UI designer will help to improve the product appearance, make the product look more attractive, and improve users' experience when using it. In the internship program, I and other software engineers are developing a new product called BASE Office Map, which help employees see the general picture of the office, know exactly the location of all the co-workers, and physical access in the office. After building a certain product, I think the product management process of BASE Enterprise is quite logical, comprehensive, and user-centric, which mainly focuses on users and their experience. All the product will be built from a solid foundation, bring specific values to users, and it is actually the result of a smooth working process among many different teams. So, after knowing about the work of business analyst, if you wonder what a day of a business analyst at BASE Enterprise actually looks like, let's move to the most interesting part of this video: Internship Diary, a day as a business analyst at BASE Enterprise. My company is on Nguyễn Tuân Street, and during rush hour, this street is very crowded. My house is quite far away, so it often takes me about 30 minutes to go to work. Finally, I came to my office. Everyone is checking in and entering the office. At my office, I have to take my shoes off and use a different pair of slippers to keep the office floor always clean. Each department has a different cabinet to place shoes. Now I'm coming to my desk. Because today I go to work quite early, therefore there are just a few people at the office now. This is my seat. Although BASE Enterprise provides computers for employees, I still have to bring my laptop when I have a training lecture on that day. This is the notebook that I was given on the first day at BASE Enterprise as a gift for new employees, and it becomes my must-have thing that I bring every day when I go to work. My colleagues have arrived, so let me introduce them a little bit to you. He is Mạnh Quý, a software engineer intern from APT University. They are Minh Châu and Nhật Linh from Bách Khoa University, and they are also software engineers. He is Đức Việt, an UX/UI designer. Now is my business analyst team. She is Khuất Minh Quyên, my leader. She used to be a student from FTU. She is very nice and outstanding. She took part in a lot of business competitions, such as Kawaii Startup Competition or Nelson Research. Next to Quyên is Hồng Ngọc, my mentor. She is very supportive and friendly, that she trusts and helps me a lot from the first day I have worked at BASE. The last one is Tuấn. He is also a business analyst intern, and he is a student from NEU. In this morning, I have to finish the user flow of a BASE product. The computer that BASE provides for each employee contains 2 screens, which help me feel more easier to work. For example, I can easily see the product model on the right screen to create the user flow on the left screen. All the tasks that I have been assigned every day are very interesting as well as challenging. The work of BA contains a lot of knowledge from economics and marketing. Therefore, I feel quite familiar and easier when I undertake. Besides that, the working environment at BASE is very comfortable and everyone is nice and supportive, and they also help me a lot whenever I have questions or need help. After finishing the task, I asked Minh Ngọc, my mentor, to correct and give me some feedback to help me improve when I undertake next start.
Thì chị thấy nhịp tổng quan thì bạn cũng đã tốt hơn lần trước, nhưng mà vẫn cần chỉnh sửa một số cái không cần thiết và từ ngữ có thể gây hiểu lầm mang nhiều ý nghĩa khác nhau.
Today, At 11 o'clock, there is a demo presentation of a software engineer about his internal project. Unluckily, because the demo presentation is a secret of the company, therefore I cannot record the video about this part. All members from the product team gather at the hall, listen to the presentation, ask questions, and suggest some solutions to help him improve his product. The demo presentation is very interesting, and all employees, especially software engineer freshers, are always looking forward to take part in it. 12 o'clock and it's lunchtime. Today, my business analyst team and I order salad for lunch. Everyone often gathers and has lunch together, which makes the atmosphere at BASE much more warm and comfortable, like a big family. In the afternoon, I have to draw the wireframe of BASE code from the user flows that I have done in the morning. The wireframe is the kind of computer screen that I have to design and then send to software engineers. After that, my leader assigned me a different project that I will handle in the next 4 weeks. The new product is called BASE.VN, and I will work with 2 software engineers to build this product. That's the end of my working day at BASE Enterprise. It's challenging but interesting, right? So after 5 weeks, what have I learned from the internship program at BASE Enterprise? The first one is knowledge. I learned a lot about the process of developing a technological product from the beginning to the end. I understand the important role of a business analyst in this process and the scope of work that a business analyst has to undertake. Thanks to the careful training process of my leader, I have gained an in-depth and detailed knowledge about my position. Besides that, I'm very lucky to have a chance to sharpen my skills I have learned by taking part in a practical project. The next one is attitude. BASE Enterprise teaches me a lot about how to keep a positive and professional attitude at work. My leader used to say to me that maintaining a positive, professional attitude creates a more productive work environment, helps you maintain a healthier perspective, and contributes to increased job satisfaction. Therefore, I always try to keep the best attitude from the smallest details such as clothes and manners. The last one is relationship. The most important thing that I have gained during the time I work at BASE is a valuable relationship with everyone I work with. They are supportive, nice, and friendly. They make me feel that I'm living in a lovely and warm big family. I am very comfortable when working there. After the internship program at BASE Enterprise, I hope I can become an official business analyst and still work at BASE. Moreover, thanks to the internship, I understand more about the work of business analyst, and I will continue pursuing this job and feel more confident about my career path in the future. At the end of this video, I would like to send my most sincere gratefulness to Miss Vũ Thị Hạnh for every wonderful guidance that she has given to me. She encouraged me to make this video and inspired me to devote and contribute my best to all the work that I was assigned. And I also appreciate the instructions of BASE Enterprise, especially my leaders and mentors. All experience that I have gained at BASE is valuable and is such a milestone in my career path. Thank you for keep watching at the end of my video. Please watch my other videos to know more about the job of a business analyst.